La Cour continue de garantir que la souveraineté et l'égalité ne sont pas de simples mots couchés sur le papier. Elle nous rappelle également que même une force écrasante ne peut et ne doit jamais se substituer à l'obligation juridique. We must be unequivocal. The Court's decisions, including provisional measures, are binding on the parties to a case. Respect for those decisions is not optional. It is a charter obligation. Today we face our own moment of crisis and our own moment of choice. A choice between a future governed by the rule of law or a future driven by raw power. The choice is clear. It is precisely because the international system is under such strain that adherence to international law matters more than ever. Without that foundation, the risk of chaos will grow, as history has shown.
If the UN is to represent all humanity, then all its different entities, including the courts, must reflect its full reality, including the fact that half of humanity are women and girls. And women's rights are the yardstick for freedom and justice within each society, based on our common foundation, the Charter and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights for All.
António Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations. This is, however, not a moment for complacency. It is a moment for vigilance. There are troubling signs of disengagement from international obligations, growing resistance to compliance, and increasing skepticism about the value of multilateralism. In some cases, the rule of law itself has been openly questioned. These trends place great pressure on the system we serve and remind us that the international rule of law cannot be taken for granted. It must be chosen, reaffirmed, and defended. Our continued commitment and collective resolve to uphold it are indispensable. President of the United Nations Security. At the heart of its mission lies the principle of equality. All states, large and small, stand before the court on an equal footing. In this great hall of justice, equality is not mere aspiration, but a reality. In each case, the court respects the consent of states and ensures procedural fairness. This is what gives the institution its legitimacy and enduring strength. His Excellency, the law can show the path, but states must choose to follow it. The strength of the international legal system does not rest primarily on the court. States retain the central role. The rule of law depends on a shared commitment by states to respect agreements and to turn to the law when differences arise.